A consistent minority, the prevalence of left-handedness. Throughout history, about 1 in 10 individuals have been left-handed. This consistent minority has persisted for centuries, suggesting a fundamental aspect of human biology. Archaeological evidence, from ancient tools to cave paintings, supports this 10% ratio. This enduring pattern hints at a deeper significance, a balance maintained over millennia. Left-handedness is not a recent phenomenon, but a constant presence in our species' story. This consistent prevalence suggests that left-handedness is not merely a random occurrence. It raises questions about the underlying mechanisms that govern handedness. What biological factors contribute to this enduring ratio? The answers lie in a complex interplay of genetics, development, and evolutionary pressures. Nature's blueprint. Handedness before birth. Handedness is not a choice but a predisposition determined before we even enter the world. Studies have shown that an unborn child's position in the womb can predict its handedness. Specifically, the position of the head and the hand that naturally rests near the mouth show a correlation. This suggests that our dominant hand is not a matter of conscious decision, but rather a product of prenatal development. Furthermore, handedness emerges early in life. Infants often display a preference for one hand over the other within the first few months. This early manifestation further supports the idea that handedness is deeply ingrained in our biology. These early preferences solidify over time, shaping our dexterity and coordination. The twisted genes of handedness. While genetics undoubtedly play a role in determining handedness, the inheritance pattern is complex and not fully understood. Identical twins who share the same genetic makeup can exhibit different hand preferences. This suggests that environmental factors in the womb and early childhood might also influence handedness. The lack of a single left-handed gene further complicates the picture. Handedness likely results from the interplay of multiple genes, each with a subtle influence. Unraveling this genetic puzzle is an ongoing area of research, offering potential insights into brain development and lateralization. The evolutionary dance of left and right. The persistent 10% ratio of left-handedness suggests an evolutionary balance between competition and cooperation. In combat and competitive sports, left-handed individuals have a surprising advantage. Opponents, accustomed to facing right-handed individuals, are less prepared for the reversed movements and angles. This left-handed advantage provides a competitive edge, particularly in one-on-one scenarios. However, this advantage comes at a cost in cooperative settings. Tools and equipment designed for right-handed use can pose challenges for lefties. This disadvantage can impact efficiency and safety in shared tasks. Imagine a world where tools and technologies were not designed for your dominant hand. This is the daily reality for many left-handed individuals. The enduring 10% ratio likely reflects an equilibrium between these competing forces. The left-handed advantage in competition is counterbalanced by the cooperative challenges. Interestingly, studies suggest that hunter-gatherer societies, where individual skills in hunting and combat were paramount, might have had a slightly higher prevalence of left-handedness. This observation further supports the idea of an evolutionary balancing act.